to my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura. And on this video, I'll show you how I made this beautiful floating Christmas gift box with Santa's sleigh. Let's get started. These are the items that I'm using today. Toys, gift boxes that are actually weights, clips, rubber band, Gorilla Glue, E6000, a Santa cap, box, gift box ornaments, vase fillers, a clear punch ladle, a coffee bucket, make it blocks, and a sleigh. All right, so I broke off the end of my ladle and I would use my E6000 and my Gorilla Glue to stick it to my bucket. And I will use my clips to hold it in place. Now before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take these gift boxes, which are actually weights. These are the type of weights you use for the balloons. So I'll go ahead and put this in because you will need something because it will get top heavy. So let's go ahead and add some E6000 and some Gorilla Glue. I'll need to add plenty of this. Add some Gorilla Glue. And we'll need to let this glue take place really, really well because it's going to be holding up everything. So I'll just find where I want to place it and add my clips to help hold it in place. And then we'll add the E6000 and a little bit of Gorilla Glue to the box part. And it will go on this end, like this. And we will add the clips to it also. So let's go ahead and get that done and let this glue sit. Let's go ahead and add our Santa cap. We'll just easily place the bucket into the cap as far down as we can get it. And I don't want to cut the cap because I may reuse it for another project later. We'll go ahead and just add these two rubber bands and pull it up just to get around the red and the white part. This will help secure it in place. And you just have to play around with it and you'll be able to fold this part down, which will hide the rubber band. And we'll get ready to add it to our sleigh and also to start decorating. For this part, I'm just going to lift up my bucket and place it into the sleigh. And this sleigh I got from the Goodwill bin. And if you've never been to the bin, it's an experience all by itself. And I'll leave a link to that video. And I will also be using to decorate with my Make It blocks, my gift boxes, my vase fillers to fill in any empty spaces, my E6000. I will use some of these toys that I received from the Goodwill bin on another treasure hunt. And I got this bag for less than $2. So there you go. And I also have these Dollar Tree items. So let's go ahead and we'll get started on this. And what we'll do is we'll interchange between the gift box, the toys, and the vase fillers, and the builder blocks, decorating this piece, putting some toys on the inside, and we want to make sure that we use the lighter toys on the inside, and we'll put some toys on the inside of the bucket. None of this is glued down, so I can just use it again at another time. This is how it's looking so far. I start decorating the stem part with some of the smaller toys, the builder blocks, the vase fillers, my boxes, and I've put some smaller pieces on the inside. And don't forget to decorate this back part that comes down. You have to decorate this part also. So I'll just continue putting some of my smaller pieces and some of my fillers in here, and then I'll start putting the larger pieces inside of Santa's bag. And I'll be right back. And here's our floating Christmas box and Christmas sleigh, all decorated and ready to go. Isn't that pretty? It makes a great centerpiece. I'll just give you a quick view of it. And we have decoration in the back. Thank you for watching my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Happy crafting, and I'll see you later.